Welcome to my channel. Come on in, where the crafts are flowing and the fun begins. We cut, we glue, we paint, we play. There's something creative every day. Welcome to my channel where we craft and have fun. It's a bright.
Hi, Crossy Angels. Vanessa here from ANGELROSE DESIGNS. I'm here today with some Happy Meal from Miss Margaret L. And we got some Chinese braid, which will go perfect for the project that I'm working on. And we got to see some rose gold paper clips here. Let's see if I can get them out of the package. There. I love these. They're perfect for projects and whatnot. Then we have some wax. Some wax seal. That's rose gold. What else do we have here? Some more wax. Oh, I like these. These can go in a glue gun too. I think. I'll try them and see. But we'll let you know. Then we have, let's see. Oh, little cardinals. Salt and pepper shaker. Cool beans. I like those. Then we have a wax warmer here. I'm not going to take it out of the box because I don't know which one it is, but well, let's open it and see. Ooh, look, it comes with tweezers. It comes with the little spoon and the warmer. And this one has the switch right here, so you don't have to unplug and plug it. Cool beans. Then we have, ooh, some owls. Salt and pepper shaker owls. Cool beans. Woohoo! Then we have, I don't know what this is. Let's see what this is. It looks like some stuff for a journal. 2 packs. I don't know what it is. Looks like ledger paper, some scraps from something. We got ledger paper. This is all ledger paper scraps. We'll see what we can do with it. Okay? We'll see what we can do with that. I got an idea. Here's some more wax. Woohoo! And we have some tiny, tiny paper clips. And when I say tiny, I'll show you in just a minute. Hang on. Look. See how tiny? Okay. Some tiny paper clips. And we have a big box. There's 3 packs of that. We got some of these. Some cards that's going to go for a project. Okay. We got that. And we got, what is this? White cardstock, y'all. And we got another pack of the paper clips. And that is it for that. So I want to thank you all for watching. Please like, share, and comment. And if you haven't done so already, hit the red subscribe button and subscribe. And don't forget to hit the notification bell to get notified of when I upload new content, when I go live, or when I do a premiere. Please be kind, be caring, be safe, be creative, be positive, and remember, if I can do it, so can you. Go make something pretty today, and remember, you are enough. Happy crafting on a budget, happy everything on a budget, and bye-bye for now.
Thanks for watching, it's great to see you. You are greatly appreciated. If you haven't done it yet, please hit the subscribe button while you are at it. Hit the notification button to get notified